Hey guys, Chuck and Glenn to announce a special event we're going to have next Tuesday. In the morning we're going to have breakfast sandwiches and coffee and donuts and all that, but Stan Shibata, the owner of Focus Industries, is coming with their big display trailer. Doors lift up, all the it's
power to everything.
Yeah, I mean installed stuff, and so we're inviting you guys. It's a little free breakfast and a great opportunity to take a look at all the Focus stuff. And I'm telling you, Focus they've got everything. They've got everything times 10, every possible.
It's good stuff too. It's good, real good stuff.
Very good quality. This is their cast brass flat panel step light, and this thing is bad to the bone. It really is.
Yep.
This will be here long after the A-bomb. I'm telling you, this is a rock solid fixture.
Underwater light with a nice, probably 25-foot J cord, solid brass. They come 7 watt, 11 watt, and I think
15 watt.
15 watt, yeah. And they come in different degrees. That's what's pretty cool. Like this is a 60 degree.
They also make the nicest tree strap for the money. This is it with an aluminum box. You see 2-inch strap, which is not going to cut into the tree as quickly. This is their aluminum junction box. They've also got a brass one. Lots of options with this, ratchet buckle if you want it. Very cool, and really of all the tree straps, we like this the best, the most competitive price. Yes, in a strap bracket. Right. Listen, their direct bury transformers the best in the business. Really,
we got them.
Price works, no trouble, doesn't leak. Stan's going to be here. He's going to have the trailer. We urge you guys to come. We're going to do another reminder, but it's next Tuesday. At first thing in the morning. I say first thing
9:30.
9:30. Come in 9:30, and we'll fill you full of
donuts.
Yeah, donuts and McMuffins.
If there's anything left when he's done,
I'll eat them. That's right. I'll admit it. I'll eat them. All right, come on and see us. Thank you.
Thanks.